The fuck is going on out there? What up, Mark Loftus? CT Trading, A+. Let's all assemble. Degenerates assemble. Kenny, what up, man? Get that dad tax from me. Yeah, I know. You know I'll be fucking claiming a bunch of shit. What's crazy, like this neighborhood that I'm in, it's like there's a decent amount of houses in it. It's a community. YJ King, they do like like the whole fucking neighborhood shuts down and they do like a block party. Everybody walks around. Everybody's got fucking, everybody's got a table out. Everybody's hanging out, doing trick or treating. Pretty fucking cool. I'll be collecting booze. And there's always this one house that has like, like like vaccine shots. It looks like a vaccine. Or a syringe, but it's fucking Jello shots. So I'm definitely gonna be passing by that house. What up, bangers? GMAT. Is that what he did? He fucking dropped a fly ball. Yo, even the one he caught. I saw the replay of the one he caught. I didn't watch the game. I don't even have cable. I don't have fucking TV. I have like on demand shit. But I like I watch the play by play and the live shit like on MLB.com. And I saw the replay of his fucking catch that he did make, and it was literally in the palm of his fucking hand. Like he almost dropped that fucking ball. Yeah, it's been selling all fucking night. All night, yo. This is my Apex account. This is the Apex account. Nothing going on in here. Nothing yet. I haven't done anything in here yet. But if you guys missed it, I did this. I did this yesterday. Yes, sir. Habitual payout streak is alive. Starting the month off with a 2K payout request. No reason why they won't be giving that shit to me. I can tell you that much. Like, look at these fucking metrics. And this isn't what happened. Wait till you see what the fuck I did. I don't even want to talk about it yet until there's enough people in here. I'm not talking about it. I'm gonna do what the other guys do. Not prop firm streamers, but just people that stream. I'm not telling you what the fuck happened until we have 25 likes. So we gotta do it for Trevor LeConte. Raider for life. I don't know. I tell everybody all the time, don't fucking fade me because I fucking spoiled it. I spoiled the surprise. Look at this, motherfuckers. Oh yeah. You see that? Oh my god. Is that Oh man. Oh yeah. There's only 24 of you in here, so I'm gonna save that surprise for other people. So don't tell anybody, okay? Do not tell anybody. Marco, what up? Look at this shit. Oh, fuck yeah. I pushed these over. I pushed two of them over. The ones I've been trying to push over since like fucking last week. Finally got them over today. I caught some falling knives, but I'm not going to talk about that anymore. I'm not going to show this. Don't let me show this my Fund the Future screen until more people roll in. I'm not showing it again until I get 27 likes. Oh man, this is what I did in my Take Profit Trader account so far. Absolutely nothing. And then I did start trading my trade day account. You know what's fucking annoying? I was long in this. I was in this long right here, and I had my sell order at 20,317. I got out. I mean, it was a decent trade, 6 points, but well, not all of them were 6 points. They were all winning trades, but I was actually up 160, and then I gave some back. I stopped out, and then I went back in, and then but shit, I could have gotten another fucking 10 points and been done in this account because I can't go up more than 30% of the prop. Like there's a 30% consistency rule with trade day on evals. Or I don't even know what they call the accounts. Maybe they call. I think they call them evals. Who the fuck knows? All I know is like, with that said, because of the 30% consistency rule and the profit goal of 2,500 to pass, I don't want to go up more than 750 on any given day. So that would have been I would have been done if I would have just fucking held, or at least taken some off and held a runner. I'd be closer to being done. But whatever. I just been growing this thing slowly anyway. K9, what up? Casting, yeah, you like that? This is the day bed. My mom was sleeping in this shit. We haven't put it back together. Oh, you could. It's two twins actually. It's two twins. The front half of the twin falls. It drops down and then slides underneath. Um, oh, you guys are talking about the casting couch. I was looking the wrong cameras on. So it's a day bed. My mom was. Anytime someone comes into town, they sleep in this room. So this is the guest room, and this part. I mean, we put like a connector. There's like a connector, so it feels like it's all one mattress, but it's two mattresses going this way. Two twins. So this drops down, and then it slides underneath, and then it's like a. I don't want to say it's like a couch, but I don't know. We just left it like this for now. So I'll wait till my wife asks me to fucking take that shit, break it down. Well, that's when my dogs usually chill when I'm in here. Yeah, Mark Loftus semi futon. It's kind of useless for anything other than laying down on. Pushing lows again. Yeah, this is fucking. Look at this shit. All we've been doing is just. So look, this was Tuesday, right? This is the 4 hour chart, but basically this was Tuesday. We went from 428 or 429 to fucking 790 or some shit like that. 785. Huge fucking pop. And then you know, I mean, filling the gap isn't even a word, isn't even, you can't even describe this as filling the gap. We got an upside down whack Arnold's W here. The double bottom confirmed. This shit might go even lower. I might be about it though. 674, 492, about 200 points. We could go down a little bit more. We could end up down around here. But you got the upside down whack Arnold's W here. But really, it's like a double top. But we more than filled the gap. And people said, "Oh, we're not going to fill the gap. We're not going to fill the gap." Because we have Microsoft earnings. Google and AMD is the reason this fucking went up, and maybe some red folder news. I don't fucking know. And then Microsoft and fucking Meta seemed like they were a little underwhelming. And then I could see, and then we have Apple and Amazon today. I could see this going back up because that's what these motherfuckers manipulating the markets do. But let's see what kind of Fibonacci love we got going on here. Let's go to the low and the high. I mean, we blew through the 618. The 707 is next. The 786 is right here. I mean, it could come down this far too, because it is double top confirmation. At least that's what Coach Jay says. Coach ZERODAYJay here. I gotta make this a little higher. No, that's right. If those guys that are fucking losing 5,000 a day at the Top Step TV who call themselves coaches, I could call myself a coach. Coach ZERODAYJay here, guys. Yo, what up, Arrow? Going on one micro and going to bed? Not a bad idea. Not a terrible idea. Oh, we actually just fucking did we just tip the fucking 707? Just about. The 707 is down here at 228750. Did we just oh my god, we bounced. That was from before. There's some fuck look at this price action. I mean, it's crazy how we're dropping like this, but once again, man, this is so much better than New York. It just is. Teach me to DCA. Just keep hitting the button. The megaphone pattern. It's listen, Dan. It's the fucking upside down whack Arnold's W. Okay. You think so? Under 20,000? No fucking way. Really? Hold on a second. I guess. I mean, if we fucking come all the way down here and it pushes through it. Yeah, Jesus. That would be sick. I mean, it's it is going to be we got election day coming up. So what day is that? So Thursday is the Friday's the first, second, third. So it's on a Tuesday. I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Oh, oh man, yeah, yeah. There wasn't a lot of volume today. Dan was talking about that. How there was hardly any fucking volume. Higher highs and higher lows. All I see is an upside down whack Arnold's W. What up, Daniel? Yeah. Well, whatever. The month's over. The month's about to be over. Is it? Oh, this right here? The fucking yeah, 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 yeah. The channel. This is the channel. This is you know what that is? The fucking indicator. It's this thing, auto trend line KL. It draws the fucking fractals. It does that shit for you. Probably doesn't look the same on the 1 hour. Let's see. No, this is the channel on the 1 hour. This is just some fucking lines I drew. There's a lot of shit going on my fucking chart right now. I drew these myself. Look, this is the October. This is the overnight going October 29th into the 30th. Hourly top orb. This is the hourly bottom orb going today's bottom orb because the bottom orb. I mean, the orb was fucking massive today. But let me fucking go back to the 15. I don't like when I draw the fib. The fib fucking kind of. I don't like this yellow shit. It's hard to see, but I'm gonna leave it up there for now. The bottom orb here, the 15-minute orb is like 60 fucking points, 70 points. Sorry, and then but the bottom orb on the hourly dropped a little bit below the 15-minute orb. So I like drawing a line because it's a decent point of reference. If we bounce back up to this area, I mean that would be not a bad area to fucking start taking a short if we go all the way back up there. But that's just me. That's just Coach ZERODAYJay speaking. Okay. Next month maybe it's gonna be fucking. I don't remember. I don't. I've never traded fucking futures during during a presidential election, so this will be fucking crazy. Is that a dog out here? Hold on a second. I hear one of my dogs. Fucking knew I heard her. I knew it. I knew it. All right, so let's look. Let's go back into the damn. This shit just keeps going lower and lower and lower. CT trading. I haven't heard from him yet. We're like, guys, it's easy. All I do is fade your fucking live in-house account, and the results are fucking staggering. You plan it? Oh man, Mark, that's like the day. Mark, that seems like it's going to be the day. Man, I haven't smoked cigarettes since fucking like I haven't smoked cigarettes since like 2000 fucking 2005. Jesus Christ. I haven't smoked a cigarette in fucking 19 years. There's Harvey. Gotta wait for fucking Luna to come in. Yeah, Halloween sell off. What up, Crankberry? He won't let you fade the house account. I don't want to go on that show. I'd rather just fucking crack jokes about how bad they fucking lose with the live in-house account. It's like they do it on purpose. I'll be right back. I got to see if the other dog came in. Yo, you heard Rips was deleting his losing day videos? I don't know if he does that. Someone else said that he doesn't do that, but I don't know. I heard Rips was a good trader, and we're practically neighbors. He knows Patrick is watching him. Why not just leave the shit up there? Like, who fucking cares? If he really is deleting it because he's having a bad day, like, why? Just fucking, man, I don't know, maybe that's why a lot of people like to, I mean, not a lot of people, but, why people like to hang out with me because I'm an open book no matter what happens. You know, what up, chill out. He said some folks were in the chat causing trouble. I mean, they're bringing it upon themselves. I mean, you could only lose so many times in your live in-house account. Knowing people, like, what kind of example are you setting? You're calling these guys on the fucking on. that you're parading out there, fucking coaches and experts, and they're fucking losing every day. And you have, one time I was on the stream and there were 4,700 fucking people on that shit. That's a fuck ton of people. And they're I would say at least 20% of those people are fucking copying them into their shit trades and blowing accounts left and right and just saying, oh, golly geez, I'll just get another one, you know? So it just seems like it's intentional. How about you just trade your fucking live in-house account better, guys? What up, Mr. Singh? What up, TQ? Any news out? No, I don't know. I don't know if there's any news that would have made it just continue dropping, other than like Microsoft and Meta being underwhelming. Let me look at Forex Factory. Mr. Singh, I don't listen. I don't like fucking. I don't have anything against him, or I don't hate him or anything like that. I don't want to fight him. You know, I just didn't want to use their prop firm. That's all. And people gave me shit about it because I pointed out some fucking obvious red flags 4 months ago. And here we are. What up? Hello, Corpian. Yeah, arrowroot. What out? Yeah, it just seems that way. How they like? I'm coach. I'm a coach. I'm a coach now. I can call myself a coach. I guarantee you, if I fucking traded that account, I would not be down. What is it down like fucking 300 grand in the last fucking 3+ months? AK, what up, Mikey? GMAT. The market would never recover. These guys are all fucking assholes. They're all fucking jerk offs. Oh yeah, yeah, Mr. Singh, yeah, whatever. Yeah, yeah. I don't even want to, I like all seriousness. I wish nothing but the best for that prop firm. That's all I ever wanted. No, it was nothing but the best because I never want to see anybody get fucked. That's all I ever cared about. Like, I hope they do very well. I just didn't want to, I just didn't want to fucking grab an account there and endorse it. And I caught a lot of fucking shit for that shit. And now, I don't hear anybody fucking saying anything anymore. Yeah, price is never to be seen again. As long as there's fucking inflation, all this shit's gonna keep going up. And we're at basically, insanely high inflation rates now. Yeah, yeah. Core PCE and unemployment claims today. Tomorrow's non-farmer payroll. Yeah, man. It just seems like they're fucking dumping this shit just to fucking drive it right back up. Between this and you got Apple and fucking Amazon, and then tomorrow we got non-farmer payroll, unemployment rate, all this shit. This is going to be bullshit. You know, you got PMI. Is this the official PMI or is this just manufacturing PMI? I don't like. I know there's different like levels of shit because like I thought Wednesday was non-farmer payroll because there was Wednesday some shit going on Wednesday that said non-farm employment, but it was just ADP shit. Will I be trading on election day? Fuck yeah. That'll definitely be a day where I might not touch any of my funded accounts, assuming I still have some by then. PCE is Fed's preferred gauge of inflation. Wonder if it leaked. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, what? Whoops. Remember the 5th of November. Anyone who fucking tells you the economy is good is fucking full of shit. Uh-oh. I missed it. God damn it. I'm in my trade day account. You know what? It's funny. I even catch myself saying it wrong too. It looks like this is like an elite trader funding account, right? Because it starts with ELT, but it's not. It's trade day. Is this gonna fucking pop here? We pop in here? Oh, I'm gonna miss it. I'm getting FOMO. I'm getting fucking FOMO. Shit. Yeah, I'm curious too. I've never seen it, but from what I heard, it's fucking absolutely insane. What up, Ghost? Dinky, what's good? Matthew Van Zandt. Yeah, I am a Mets fan. I'm not like happy that the Yankees lost. I don't give a fuck. I kind of wanted them to beat the Dodgers because I hate the Dodgers for obvious reasons. Otani, yo, I heard Otani's fucking interpreter bet a million of Otani's dollars that Otani would hit a home run during the fucking World Series. Bear flag, perhaps. I kind of want to get filled down here though, because it's kind of like, we built up all this like, I don't know, kind of like some support there. We'll see. We shall see. I'll put an order here too. Fuck it. I kind of hope it goes down and fills me here before it fills me here. If it fills me down here, I'm going to cancel this order. Uh-oh. Rut-row. I'm scared. I'm scared. I mean, this could be resistance too, like this area right here. You got this fucking wick right here on that last low over there. Uh-oh. I don't know. I'm not feeling any of this shit. It was fucking moving around a bunch before, and now all of a sudden it sucks. And the spread is awful. Oh, see, it's gonna fuck with me. Look at the spread. The spread's a fucking point. Motherfucker. I should have taken the 20 bucks. Oh shit. Oh shit. No. Up. Up. Should have taken the 40 bucks. Fucking pop it. Pop that shit. Come on, baby. Do something cool. Especially now that I know that Raider for Life fades me. Oh shit. I'll take this, man. I'm growing this account. I'm taking my time growing this. Oh shit! Don't fucking fade me. Don't fade me, guys. Oh my god, just too fucking funny. Don't fade me, bro. Raider for life. Did you fade me on that one? Where is he? Where is he? At least he's open about it. He's like, I don't know if I should fade you today. Yo. Oh shit. Oh, there you are. What up? You still here? See, I'm just taking my time growing this fucking account. Like, I don't need to have a big fucking $700 day every day. Like, I'm not in a hurry. I mean, I am, and I'm not. I just want to fucking. I don't know. I have so many fucking accounts. I'll take that. Maybe it fucking, oh shit. I'll move that up and just fucking work this fucking thing up. Yeah, that's fine. Works for me. That was a cool trade. Hope you guys didn't, hope nobody faded me. Took that bitch fucking 13 and a half points. It might keep going. I don't know. It's got a long ways to go back up, you know? If you look, I mean, look how fucking far down we are. Now we got this cool little tweezer pattern here happening potentially. Yeah, that's just fucking going. I would have gotten stopped. I would have gotten taken out. Actually, well, I raised it, my take profit. But you know, the 5 minute 21 is which is what this the lighter line is. This is the 5 minute 21 EMA and SMA. The 5 minute 21, there's always, not always, but a lot of times like it'll fucking reject hard over here. It really all depends on what's going on. But here we are. Like it's, you notice how it's kind of got stuck there. It might keep going up, but it got stuck. Now it's fucking kind of hanging out there. You know, I'm good with fucking, and look, you got these fucking equal, you got these equal highs. It needs to clear these, it needs to clear these wicks. And very well may, but I'm out. I'm outie. Here, tell them something they don't know about me. Look, $400 in this fucking account. Like, pretty, I'll take it. No complaints here. You faded the faders and went long too. Yeah, you gotta fade especially the fader haters. Those motherfuckers. I haven't heard a fucking thing from them. Even today, like I had a rough. I mean, I was fucking around during earnings, so I gave back some of the gains in those my funded futures accounts. But I've been hearing crickets from them. I haven't heard a goddamn thing from them for like a week. But you know, I appreciate them because they made me fucking really fucking, you know, uh, first of all, they fucking motivate the shit out of me, but I feel like they helped me lock in, you know, just because I want to fucking stick it to them all the time. Man, I crank. I've been fucking really, I really do want to make some merch. I got a bunch of them. I got, you know, I got a bunch of fucking, you know, hashtag fucking type of merch ideas. Yeah, look, see, this shit's gonna keep going. Whatever. I'm cool with this, man. I'm cool with 400. I'm cool with it. Rug pull gang, DCA gang, don't fade me, bro. You know, there's so many. These, you know, fucking Degen fam. Put like coach, hashtag coach. Oh my god. You know, I just don't want to. You know, I was telling my wife about it. She's like, "You better not get any fucking inventory here." You know, so I'd have to fucking, you know, I'd have to do like drop shipping and shit. I'd have to like do if I'm gonna do it at all, it's probably be like through Teespring or something. Yeah, who faded me? Who faded me? Uh, Arrowroot. Yeah, I mean, I I get it, bro. We all see the charts differently. I mean, there's 52 people in here, or 61. I don't know how many people are in here right now. 61 people hanging out in here right now, and only 10 likes. I'm not gonna fucking take another trade until we get to 20 likes. No, but you know, all seriousness, you know, look, here we go. I mean, we might fucking start dumping here. I don't know. We might pull back. I love the moving averages. There's just certain. I just seen too many things happen around certain moving averages so much too often to fucking ignore them. But that's just me. That's what I like to look at. I need to see all this shit on the chart. That's just how I am. I don't have. You notice I don't really. I barely ever put moving averages up on this chart, but I have them. I don't even have EMAs in here. I just have SMAs. But I hardly ever have them on my trading view chart. Once in a while, I'll pop them on and just to see what's going on, just to get a, you know, a bird's eye view of certain things, like on the hourly. I'll put it in and be like, oh, any fucking moving averages coming close. You know, we're in no man's land in terms of moving averages. The 200's way up here at fucking 496. The 300's at 470, 479. You know what I'm saying? But to each his own. There's fucking 56 people in here. The PO3 candle. Oh, this thing? I know. I'm just leaving it like that for now. I didn't even realize that this was a fucking candle. I swear to God. What color am I supposed to change it to? I'm experimenting with this anyway. Do I want it to be green though? You know what I mean? Like, I guess if it's a green candle. But now look at that. That's just fucking. I don't want it to be that fucking. I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about that shit. It's cool though how it's you see that. It's good. It's a good reference. Oh, I wasn't supposed to show that. Fuck. The jig is up. I put the color that I like. Yeah. What's up, Terry? The orb. The orb. Yeah, crankberry. Exactly. Like we all. What up, Ron? Steam. What's good? Dilzik. Yo, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like arrowroot. Like I'm sure. You know, you're a different type of trader. You're more of a trend trader. I don't know. It doesn't. I don't. I suck at trend trading. You know, this shit was just we were just trending down all fucking night, and I didn't play. I didn't really do that. I played bounces and shit. I don't fucking like playing the trend. The B is a breakout trend. Where's the B on this chart? You saying, or just something else? Oh, the orb. Yeah. So yeah, Mikey. The orb is the opening range breakout. ORB. So what happens is, let me hold on. I need to go do something here. Look at guys. This is this line right here. This is the 707 on the fib. It literally bounced right the fuck off of it. We're up what? 38 points from there. 38 fucking points. Literally bounced right off the 707. I don't know if it's gonna like break out of the fucking golden pocket, but there it is. So let me get rid of this fib. I don't want to look at it right now because it's just in the way. I want to show Mikey the orb. So I got so much shit on here now. It's kind of annoying. Let me hide this fucking this. What is this? Oh, this is the ICT thing. All right. So you see this red line here and this green line? That's the orb. It's the opening range, the first 15 minutes of when the market reopens. So let me zoom into that shit. So when the market opened, this is how it played out. The high of the first 15 minutes of the market reopen was 496, and the low was 435. So the range, the opening range, is 60 points. And I used this indicator on TradingView called Orb 15 minutes. I think it's who's it by? Equity Dorai or some shit like that. Yep, Equity Dorai. That's the one. There's a bunch of them. This is just the one I chose, and it works for me. There's always going to be, not always, right? No indicator is absolute, but there's a lot of fucking price action around the orbs. Bounces, rejections, happens all the time. Kind of like the view up. Like, look, here's a good example. You know, like here's the opening range from whatever day this was, Sunday going into Monday. We broke out of it, right? And then look what kept happening. He kept coming back down to the top orb and bouncing off of it. Coming back down to the top orb. He fell into the orb a little bit, bounced off of it some more, bounced off it some more, and we finally broke into it. And then we went to the bottom orb, like all the way to the bottom orb. This is the hourly chart, and bounced off the fucking bottom orb until we fell out of the bottom orb. That's just what happens around the orb. And if you're going to trade NQ and you're going to look at the orb on NQ, you might as well also look at the orb on the Qs, because there's always price action. And sometimes you'll be like, why the fuck did it bounce there? Or why did it reject there? And then sure enough, if you look on the Qs, you'll be like, oh shit, it's the fucking bottom orb on the Qs or the top orb on the Qs. So it's powerful. I'm not saying it's 100%, but I like it. It's served me well. It's I don't know if it's better than the VWAP. I don't know if it's or not. I don't know which way. I don't know if it is or not, but it's good. Let me put this shit, whatever this thing is called, PO3. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I think Bowser put me onto that. It's cool. I just don't, I got so much shit on my fucking charts now. Oh, wow. We fucking rejected off the low with the VWAP band. Look at that. Back down, I guess. I like how this is this fucking, what's the name of that fucking indicator that, who fucking told me about that? I think it was Adam P told me about it in the Discord. I like it though, it's cool. It's the ICT Zone Sessions and Indices by Vince FX. And I'm not an ICT guy. I just like how it gives you these zones, right? Look, it's telling you this is the range that London's trading in, It gives you some other shit too, like it draws these lines. Pretty fucking cool. Anyway, see what the fuck is going on here. Oh, look at that. So when did I get out here? I got out to 21. We popped over it. We rejected off the low with the VWAP band, and now we're back under the 21. And look where we're bouncing. We're bouncing out off the 34s. 34 EMA right here, 34 SMA. Spaceman, what up, Apex Trade? Spaceman BTC for key levels. It's a game changer. Yeah, see, there's so many fucking cool indicators out there. I just, take all of them with a grain of salt, obviously. You still got to be able to either see what it's showing you, right? And we all see the charts differently. And then, the other part of it is executing. And then there's also you always want to have some sort of stop, even if it's a mental stop, because they're not always going to work. None of them are absolute, but they definitely help, especially the ones that make sense to you. There's so many of them. Yo, Zayback, just dude, just fucking trade up. Just trade on the prop firms that, aren't new. I don't understand. My fucking, so I have hosting. I have hosting for a PBN for a private blogging network. And I get charged every month for it, every fucking month. But for some reason, they're fucking asking me, my bank is the fraud department wants me to confirm that it's a real charge. I'm like, you've been fucking pinging my card for this $235 shit for 2 years now. Fucking dummies. Yes, it is. It's fucking good. Did I attempt? Yeah, of course I did, motherfucker. Anywho, they never answer back. Don't they have a Discord? Why don't you just hit them up in the Discord? Pivots, daily levels, that's it. Subjectivity fucks things up. I got you. So so let's see. I'm gonna check that out too. I'm gonna put that on another chart. This one. Intel. I was looking at Intel just because I heard there's rumors that Apple might be buying them again. Spaceman BTC. I always like looking at shit and just seeing how it. Oh, there's so many of them. Jeez. Dinky. I don't use Bookmap, but I like the idea of Bookmap. It reminds me of when I used to trade options and I used something called Black Book. It gave you all the options flow. Mark Loftus, good point. Mikey. Yo, you guys should all troll the fucking fast track fucking Discord and change your username to fucking 0 day, like change your display name to ZERODAYJay and just start asking a bunch of questions. Just troll. That'd be a good way to fucking troll them. That's funny. Top one, this one, IDWM, key levels. Oh, I see. Previous week high. Oh, Monday high. Okay, I like that. So it tells you without you having to like go fucking digging for the information. I like that. That's pretty cool. Again, though, like, look how much. Look at all the shit that's on the chart now. Wouldn't you guys agree? I already have enough shit on the chart. This would be one of those things where I kind of like, if I were to use it, I would like. It would be like the moving averages I have on TradingView. They're not. They're never on unless I want to see what's going on. I'll take a peek with it. You know. But that's about it. That's cool though. I like how it tells you. Holy shit! It goes all the way. Does it? 1935 low. Current year mid. Wow, Apple. Yeah, I'm looking at Apple. That's cool though. I'll keep an eye on that. Thank you, Apex Trades. Steam. The prompt. Yeah, I mean, some people are they're starting to pay people. You know, they're getting. You know, they're running fucking aggressive sales to get new money in. I mean, that's basically what prop are. If you don't have the initial bankroll, or you don't fucking, you know, you don't you don't fucking have your rules set up appropriately, and you don't have recurring. Like they didn't have any plans that were recurring by getting by using like credit card as a payment method. So now they're fucking borrowing money from Peter, aka the new sales that are coming in to pay Paul from fucking 6, 7, 8 weeks ago or whatever. All the people that requested in September, they're using all the money that's coming in now to pay them. So what's going to happen when all the people that are buying accounts now are fucking due for payouts, or people that are still people that got fucking rug pulled, got fucked out of their payouts that were approved and now denied, but they still have their accounts and they're going to just, they'll stick around and just keep trading. You know, when are they going to get paid? You know, they got a lot of fucking catching up to do. Mikey, I don't know, man. It's like a trend day. It's tough. But I'm a scalper, so for me, like I just, I don't want to say it's easy because it doesn't mean I'm going to win, right? It doesn't mean I'm going to do a good job, but at least I'll see I could spot some potential opportunities. It doesn't know, but we don't know how it's going to play out. It's tough though. It's tough to trade shit like this. Like trend day, I hate trading the trend. I need to wait for something to happen, but we're fucking been trending down literally since the market opened. The market opened and we fucking just started dropping. We bounced a little here off. Look where we bounced. Look where we bounced. We wicked down here. We wicked down here, but look, we bounced off the fucking hourly, the bottom orb on the hourly, the first hour, and then we popped, went about halfway up, and then rejected, and just have been fucking free falling ever since. Not And somehow today actually had a good day trading so far. A great day, actually. I haven't even showed everybody what happened. Don't give it up in the chat, though. Don't tell everybody in the chat. Don't say anything. Those of you guys that I accidentally slipped, or anyone who was hanging out on the street, hanging out in the Discord, don't tell them what happened. I'm waiting till we have 27 likes on the stream. Maybe 100 people. Oh, TMB. Oh, it sucks. I'm sorry to hear that, man. Yeah, I don't like the trend is not my friend. I would like to be friends with the trend, but it has not been my friend yet. Yeah, singularity trader. I promise not to fucking rug pull your payments again. Who fucking says that? I commit to never rug pulling your payments again, man. That's a big fucking promise. That's a big fucking promise, especially considering you just did it. UA, what up? Yeah, I mean, honestly, well, Amway's not a Ponzi scheme. They're a fucking multi-billion-dollar fucking operation. They just use direct sales instead of fucking putting their merchandise in fucking Target and fucking Costco, and you know they just have people sell their shit for them. That's not a Ponzi. They've been in business a lot longer than fucking fuck them traders. They've been doing it since what, the 50s, the 60s. The fucking people who started that, their name is on the building that fucking the Orlando Magic play fucking basketball in. I think they own that team. Yeah, MLM is not, that doesn't make it a Ponzi. A Ponzi is like what these prop firms are. Especially if they don't, especially if they're not fucking sharing in profits of live trading. But, you know, or basically the US government, the whole fucking central bank financial system is a fucking Ponzi. The biggest, anything, utilizing central banking, the central banks, those fucking scumbags, that's a fucking Ponzi. The whole monetary system. Yeah, me too. So I was in, when I was in at Singularity Trader, when it was Quickstar. Remember when they kind of rebranded and became Quickstar because they were going on the internet? I did that shit for a few years. I liked it, but I didn't like it. The shit that I didn't like was like how you can't control like what organization you're in, like what line of sponsorship you're in, and like I started getting the feeling like they were telling me that if I didn't fucking succeed with that shit, that I would not succeed in anything. I'd be a fucking loser. Not in those exact words, and I fucking didn't like that shit. So I was like, yeah, we'll see, you know. But I learned a lot. Like I learned about, the reason I fucking got into self development was because I was in that fucking shit, man. I read a ton of books, a ton of books. So I'm thankful for that. And I met some really cool people, and I learned from some really cool people. It's actually incredible what some of the really heavy hitters were able to accomplish, building building their downlines and shit, and it just turns into this fucking web of fucking a fuck ton of people using all the products, and you get a cut of all of it. It's fucking amazing. Yeah, now it's called Amway again. But yeah, I mean that was years ago. TMB, man, it's a vicious cycle, bro. But you're a good trader. You're a good trader, man. Just keep pushing forward. Just fucking, you know what to do. It's just hard. Trading's hard. And then, the biggest thing is not to let your emotions get the best of you, which is something I'm continuously working on, obviously. You saw me last night, guys, during the fucking stream. I was losing my fucking shit. Was it last night or the night before? What night was it when my month? It was Tuesday going into Wednesday or Monday going into Tuesday when fucking it was Monday. What was like $54 away, $46 away from fucking passing one of those my funded futures accounts, and then I fucking hit the daily loss limit. I was so fucking pissed. Garbage team. Are you a Yankee fan? Oh man. Yeah, you completed day one of your new combine. You're up. Yeah, exactly, bro. You just got to keep fucking. You know, the issue might be like if you're slamming, if you're slamming contracts on evals, right? And then, but you're gonna trade for real on funded accounts. That's where the trouble starts. I'm guilty of it too, because if all you do is slam evals, right, just to pass them, when are you getting your actual practice, your actual trading practice on your funded accounts? So as you're fucking like honing in your skills, you're doing it on funded accounts that if you fuck up and you're fucking trying something new, you know, that's where you could get into trouble. And that's how a lot of accounts get blown because people just fucking, they just, you know, especially, now we got the straight to fund and shit, but those accounts are expensive. But like, especially with Apex encouraging everybody a year ago saying, here's how you can make 80 grand. Here's how you can make $80,000 with Apex Trader funding next month. All you have to do, right? Remember that? Remember that video, guys? All you have to do, I got to find it because now they call those people fucking earners and burners. But they said, all you have to do, guys, is um, pass 20, 50,000 K accounts and then copy trade those 20, 50K accounts and get them to a payout twice in the next month and request a max every single time. That's how you get 40K the first time, and then 2 weeks later you get the other 40K. There's your 80K. They were telling people to do that, and they said, "Here's 90% off and 1 day to pass." That's when 1 day to pass basically became permanent. Now all of a sudden, those people that they were encouraging that type of fucking behavior are now earners and burners, schemers and scammers, gamblers and scramblers. You know, but if all you're gonna do is slam fucking Apex evals, right? You're gonna fucking go 5, 10 contracts deep, waiting for a good move and try to pass it in one trade. And then what do you think's gonna happen when you get a funded account and you fucking haven't been like honing your skills, your trading skills, because all you do is just slam evals? I do it too. Like I fucking I faded Top Step to get one of these funded accounts as a joke, but it turned out it literally took me less than 4 minutes to fucking. They were like, it looked like it was gonna go long. It looked like it was gonna go up, and fucking Dan posted in the Discord, this shit, yo, Top Step just went in short, with the live account. I was like, and I thought it was gonna go long. Like, oh fuck yeah, and I fucking slam. I went fucking 10 contracts deep. I got like most of it on the first trade. Hit it. Got moved my stop up. Almost got taken out. Almost got taken out. At my take profit. It would have been even shorter, but like literally less than 4 minutes, I had that shit fucking passed. But there's other times when I just trade it. Like this fucking trade day account. I'm trading this shit. I'm not fucking slamming it. And these take profit trader accounts. GMAT. I gotta look at that. I just remember, bro. Yeah, TMB. Yeah, so you were in heavy, bro. They don't let you practice. Well, you could always. You could find there's other ways to fucking practice to get demo accounts. I think you could get demo accounts with TraderVate. But that happens to a lot of people. Maybe not you, TMB, but a lot of fucking people, myself included. You know, Dagon Poker said he could use his practice and he's funded. Uh, yeah, GMAT, bro. The Yanks were winning like 5-0. I'm like, okay, I guess we're going to game 6. You know, and then the next time I looked at the fucking NMLB.com, I'm like, it's 5-5. And I was looking at fucking Cole's line. I didn't even know it was 5-5 yet. I looked at Cole's line. I'm like, he gave up 5 unearned runs. Like, what the fuck happened? So his fucking teams fucked him. Paper trade on TradingView. Yeah. I got to see the tweakers and whirlers. I got to see I'm going to look for it right now. Aaron Judge fucking dropped the fucking can of corn. Yeah. Freeman named World Series. Yeah. Freeman fucking had the World Series MVP after game 2. Let me go to Twitter. Yeah, this price action fucking blows, by the way. What's gold doing? Aaron Judge committed it was his first error of the whole year. Hold on, I can't fucking see this. Oh, here we go. Oh my God. Nobody was at first. That's how it started? You can't beat fucking Mookie. Oh my God. That is awful. He took his eye off. He took his eye off the ball and look at the runner. What the fuck? That is absolutely insane. That is fucking. Yo, Mallow Legacy. I do not have a Traded5 affiliate account. I'm sorry, man. I hope you're doing well, though. I do not have. I can't believe I just watched that fucking. I can't believe that's how. Oh my God, that's fucking disgraceful. Damn, Aaron Judge, man, what a disappointment. Talk about fucking. He finally hit another home run. My YouTube forces you to watch ads. You see ads when you're watching my videos, Dayback. I don't have ads enabled. You shouldn't be seeing any fucking ads on my videos, any video ads on my videos or on my streams. Yeah, Cole was lazy. Cole that wasn't fucking that wasn't Rizzo's fault. That was Cole's fault for not covering the base. Now that I watched it. Yeah, hello Corbin. A lot of people do that. It's also like Monopoly money because we're fucking, an Apex 50K is $33. And sometimes it's as low as like 17, $18 when they do 90% off. Nice job, Steam. Yeah, that JJ, exactly. That's not Rizzo's fault. Rizzo made the play and no one was there. Fucking Cole should have been fucking on his horse racing fucking bets to the fucking bag. But bets, that's what fucking hustle does. He ran a hard 90 and look what happened. Yeah, but you guys don't see ads on my shit, do you? I have that shit turned off. I don't have any. I don't have ads. I don't have ads enabled on my shit. The only thing I have enabled on my fucking on my channel is super chat and super thanks. That's it, and only because people ask me to. Yeah, I don't. If you see it, it's not from me. It ain't because of me. I don't see ads on my personal account because I pay for YouTube Premium. My personal account has YouTube Premium, so because I hated going to the gym. I like you could fuck like people like Spotify. I like fucking all the good all the fucking amazing music I like to listen to is on YouTube. And I used to fucking hate going to the gym. And this is fucking boring. Jesus Christ. What is this? I used to hate going to the gym and fucking like if you fucking would turn off your phone, the video would stop playing or some shit, you know. And I would see like a commercial would come on in the middle of listening to a song, or I was watching fucking. I was big. I still watch the guy. I bought almost all of his fucking workout programs, but I was, before I fucking started paying for his shit, I was fucking following Athlete X's workouts, Jeff Cavalier's workouts, just like from his YouTube channel. I would put together workouts, and it was fucking annoying. So I paid for YouTube Premium. The best fucking $10 a month I've ever spent. I think it's more now, but seriously, it's the fucking, and I don't see ads. Oh, by the way, if you guys were wondering, I didn't want to show this yet, but this is what happened. I fucking finally passed my Fund Futures evals. The two that were higher up. I finally fucking pushed them over 53,000. There it is, right there. So I'll have two funded accounts on Friday. Two funded 50K starter accounts on Friday. Yeah, Helicorpian. Yeah, I would say. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if I mean there's again you talk to 20 different people who have 20 different things that they are their number one rules, but tilt is definitely one of them for me personally. It's like you start control your fucking emotions, control the emotions. That's the biggest thing for me because they say like just like Yogi Berra said about baseball, you know, what is it? Yogi Berra mental quote. Baseball is 90% mental, the other half is physical. So it's the same thing with trading. I would say it's like 95% mental. The other half is technical. You know, you still got to know what you're looking at. Oh, be good, daggone poker. Be good. Thanks for popping in. I wish I could have taken more trades, but it's just what am I supposed to do here? I took this one trade. What did I take? One trade on the stream so far? Mallow. Yeah, it was a rough fucking day. Yesterday was crazy. Damn. Yeah, yeah. I've been there, bro. You just fucking kind of spiral out of control. And then you go from like you basically like start knocking them out one after the other. So like you blew the my fund the futures like, well, I can't trade these anymore. So let me go into my Apex account while you still fucking emotionally under duress, or you're already fucking pissed off. You're fucking you know super fucking annoyed, and then you're like, all right, let's make it up on these fucking Apex accounts, and then you fucking blow those, and then you go to fucking fast track. Fuck them traders. Are you? Hey, Mallow, I'm just curious. Did you? I remember when we hung out. That was in September, right? Did you ever get those? Did you get paid when you requested your payout? When did you request? Oh, here we. That's exactly what I was asking you. I just saw you post in the chat. When did you request that? Your payout, your promissory payout date is November 6th. When did you request that? I don't know Helicorpian, but from what I understand, according to Zaybak, they don't respond to fucking. They don't ever respond to you when you reach out to support. Maybe they don't respond to email. Maybe you gotta. Do they have a? Do they have a fucking Discord? I have no idea. Maybe someone else can help you. I ain't fucking with them. They're brand new. Yeah, Mark Loftus. How many times have you seen me be like, fuck it, fuck everything? I get into the fuck everything mode and just don't give a fuck. You got approved on October 9th, and your promissory payout date is November 6th. Could you imagine Apex did that? Imagine Apex approved your payout and you're fucking waiting fucking 23 weeks already. It'll be a month. We'll see. They need to make more money to pay you and everybody else that are waiting. When did you request that payout? No. Oh, I thought you were talking about Profit Trade, that new shit. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is the next morning, bro. Yeah, so you're gonna see it probably in like an hour or two. You'll get the email. I thought you were talking about that Profit Trade shit, bro. Yeah, I trade with Take Profit Trader, bro. I know they're the shit. They're my favorite prop firm. I thought you were talking about that new shit, Profit Trade, whatever the fuck it's called. I like fucking Take Profit Trader so much. I made my own little note, my own little notes on it when I tell people about it. And you just reminded me to drop some links in the fucking chat because I haven't dropped any links, and I'm a habitual link dropper. So Profit Trade pays every Monday. Yeah, I remember when people were saying, like, look, I hope they're around too. I hope they all stick around for a long term. I just remember everybody was fucking, rubbing it in my face about how they got paid on Fast Track. I remember that shit, and telling me that I'm a fucking shill for Apex or whatever. Um, but I hope it keeps going. I mean, it seems like they had their rules dialed in before, you know, they weren't just letting you do whatever the fuck you wanted. So far, so good though, right? Yeah, they paid out 800K this month. That's great. Seems like you need a fucking bankroll. You need a bankroll to start these prop firms, just in case, you know, you start getting fucking gamed hard by the sharks. But yeah, Take Profit Trader is running a sale right now. It's 40% off any size test account and $0 activation fee. So if and when you pass, you don't pay. It's waived. It's free. You don't pay anything to get your funded account. Here's my link. Use coupon code ZERODAYJAY. My funded futures. Well, we'll do Apex first. Apex is doing 80% off, 1 day to pass. That's actually allegedly expiring. Apex, 80% off, $85 lifetime PA fee. Let's see. When is this shit going away? Yeah, we're literally just fucking chopping around. Oh my god. Yo, TMB, I just saw you fucking. That's fucking funny. Not what happened to you. So apparently, allegedly, their 80% off sale is ending in 18 hours and 26 minutes. Allegedly. I always put air quotes around their fucking countdown timer because They'll just add seven more days on this randomly, before the shit expires. But one thing I can tell you is when the 80% off sale did end and it was gone for like a week, the $85 lifetime PA deal was still in play. So maybe this will stick around because obviously people love it, and they need to compete somehow because now that they fucking went the fucking buffer route, the safety net route, they're no different than fucking take profit trader. They're about the same. They don't have a daily loss limit, but they have more fucking bullshit rules. So they're gonna need to keep the fucking sales going. One of the things that differentiated them was you could get cheap accounts and you hit the fucking threshold and you could request a payout. That's all, the threshold, there is no threshold. Now it's a fucking buffer. You need to fucking get a lot more now. But there's my link. And then my funded futures, they got sales going on. They got all types of shit going on. The milestone plans, the 25K is 25% off until November 1st. I think it ends the end of the Mikey. It's fucking funny. It's 25% off the 25K milestone plan, and then 10% off the 50, the 100, and the 150. And the coupon code will work for any payment method for the milestone plans. But for some reason, they decided they want more people they want to encourage people to use the fucking bank option via Plaid, which is super secure. Not that, it's secure to use a credit card too. And so is crypto allegedly, right? But they're not letting anyone get a discount for starter plus, and expert. The coupon code will not work. Anybody's coupon code, not just mine. Anybody's coupon code will not work for credit card or fucking crypto or debit card on starter plus, and expert. But expert is 10% off with the bank payment option, and starter and starter plus are 5% off. But if you want to support the channel and you don't care about the little 5% off and you're willing to pay $80 for a 50K starter or whatever, you can still put my coupon code in or use this link right here, or do both, and I'll get credit for the sale. Yeah, this price action is fucking. This is like, people try to trade this shit. People do trade this shit, and a lot of people, you know what happens to them? They're fucking. What are we trading in a fucking 11 point range? They're fucking. This is an easy way to get bottom and top ticked left and right, and you're fucking. Unless you just hold, like you have a bias towards one direction or another, you sit through this shit, but your fucking drawdown could get fucking eaten alive in this chop right here. Best code. Oh, and I never dropped my trade day link. Let me show you my trade day link. And if you want to, I don't know if you guys want to fuck with trade day. Only because like they're expensive. But if you want, I mean, they're offering 20% off right now. I grabbed my trade day account when they were 50% off. But here's my link. Best code ZERODAYJay. Oh, fucking spell. 4 Apex, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, and Bullinox. I'm pretty sure they're still doing 90% off. The only account worth getting is fucking the 50K. Anyway, what up, Sinful? You have 5 blown Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. Too much to reset, but thinking about it. Yeah, it should be cheaper. I mean, you know how to pass accounts, Milo. Least estimated. Why am I trading London? I always trade London, bro. Be good, man. I didn't know if you were leaving. You leaving? You coming or going? You said have a great day, everyone. You're just saying you pop in to say what up. So what happens when you pass the eval TMB? When you pass the eval on My Fund of Futures, they'll send you an email. They communicate with you via email. Least estimator, if I missed you, bro, I hope you're still here. I hope you're still here. Enjoy the rest of your day as well. You have a good day trading. What up, Slade? What up? Man, this was you know how I passed this shit? Watch this. I caught a falling knife. We just kept dumping and dumping and dumping. Look at this. We just kept dumping, 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 dumping. And I looked on the chart and I said, let me go to the hourly. I was like, wow, I like this area. But I really like this area, like was like 317 ish. I like 315. I like 315 just because there was like these wicks below these candles here and shit like that. And I fucking got in um, at 314.50, and then I added because it dropped right, and then I added at 311, and I fucking took that up like 12 and 15 points, and then I got in again here. I got in again here, and I fucking got the last 190 that I needed. I think I went in with one. I guess. Let's see. Let's look at the fucking. Let's look at this shit. I caught a falling knife like a fucking G. Like I was at the fucking, like I'm in the circus. That's how I caught that falling knife. Oh, it was two. It was two. So I got 190 times two. So I got five. I was at two. So these accounts, all four of them, they were up. They were up over $400, and then I gave it all back and was down $400. Because that's how it's been going with these accounts. I'm like, oh, here we go again. Here we go again. Am I gonna fucking end up hitting the daily loss limit again? And then I found myself back up 255, and then I did this. After the market just kept dumping and dumping and dumping, I was like, "Ooh, we're gonna catch a. I'm gonna try catching a falling knife." And sure enough, like it bounced off. It bounced basically right where I got in. It was glorious, glorious. So now I'll have two fucking funded My Funded Futures accounts tomorrow, and then these are looking good too. Although you can only have three funded accounts. But it doesn't mean you can't have a backup waiting in case you blow one of them. But this was the Don't Fade Me Bro group. I had them all together. I don't even know if I want to trade this for the rest of the day. Like obviously I I changed the group around, right? The group now consists of just 20 and 21 because 18 and 19 are over. And then the only other trick, damn, oh, we finally broke out. Something's actually happening finally. And then the only other account I traded was this trade day account for $400. Haven't touched my Take Profit Trader. Haven't touched any of my Apex accounts. I don't even know if I want to touch this account. I'm probably not going to trade this account at all. Because I got like 11 or 12 days in, and I'm over the threshold, and I'm requesting two fucking G's. Jamila. Neeson, what's up? Gabor, what up? You failed your 150K take profit eval 3 times now. The buffer on the 75K to get a payout is 2,500. So anything over that is you can request a payout. I like with the 150s, but they are challenging. Trading with Travis was imploring me, has been on me to get the 100K, and I just kept putting it off, saying I'm just gonna wait till I get some pass from the 150Ks, and then he fucking donated to the channel enough to get an account, or just about enough, and I grabbed one. This is the Trading with Travis account, and I as soon as I got the account and it went live, I traded it and I lost $350. But then I got 305 back, and then I had like a $500 day. So this one's actually green now. I need to get this to 6,000. What a fucking nice little pop finally. 20 points. But we're back here. Well, we cleared this. What up, Miller Trades? Yeah, no problem, Gabor. It sucks that happened, man. I can tell you one thing, I've blown a lot more than 3. But it still sucks, no matter how many you blow. It always sucks when you blow accounts, especially the take profit trader ones. Was it because you hit the daily loss limit? Young Money bounce. YM. Young Money. Neeson. Captain Price is up early. Oh, man. You see this guy? He's got the fucking life. He's got the fucking life. Look at this motherfucker. Mr. Harvey. He's on the casting daybed. What the fuck is going on here? Nice little fucking pop there. It could have went either way. That's why, like, I don't know. I don't like playing it when it's like that, because you think it might go down, but it's going to go up, or you think it might go up and then it goes down. I fucking hate playing. I hate fucking trying to play chop breaks. TMB, man. Sell some shit in your house that you don't need anymore. I'll tell you, when I was selling my house on Long Island before I moved out here to Vegas, when we were fucking the closing date happened, the closing date was set, and we had to get the fuck out by, October 30th, which shit, I've been here, I sold my house October 30th, 2019. 5 fucking years ago, and then we fucking hopped in an RV and drove across the country. We rented one of those Cruise America fucking RVs and drove across the country. 5 years ago. Got here November 4th. But I know, like, I posted shit on Craigslist, OfferUp, Let Go, which is now just OfferUp, I think, and the Facebook Marketplace. I sold everything through the Facebook Marketplace. The Facebook Marketplace is the shit. TMB, so what, man? But if you have shit laying around that you don't use anymore, and you need money for fucking combines, and you don't want to, you need extra money to donate, to contribute towards combines, just sell shit you don't need anymore. Or get like a fucking, get a fucking, get some fucking, do some gig work or something. Like, my wife is doing Rover. She does Rover, and she makes enough money a month to cover about just about anybody's fucking degenerate prop firm trading habits. You know, she's not making a killing, but she does good. You know, she wanted to make some money. I didn't want her fucking, you know, she was slaving away working at this fucking shelter for a little while. I was like, man, you're fucking really working hard for hardly any money. And she stopped doing it because they fucking kill all the dogs. That you know they kill a fuck ton of dogs. So it was fucking breaking her heart every day because she was working with all the dogs, and then next thing you know, they were gone. Well, she'd find out they have a commitment date, and they couldn't find a foster for her and shit like that. So I was like, why don't you fuck? And then she worked at a doggy daycare. I was like, why don't you do Rover? She's had a Rover account for years. She went through the process. It's like, why don't you just do Rover? You get to hang out with dogs. None of them are gonna get put down. You get to hang out with all different types of dogs. She makes like fucking. She's averaging like 20 something dollars an hour. You know, and she works when she wants. Neeson, what up? How do I manage with Apex's 30% rule? I'm probably not the guy you want to ask that question to because you know what my approach is? I just don't give a fuck about their stupid rule. That's how I manage it. They could take that rule and fucking blow it out their ass. I'm just gonna trade my account the way I'm gonna trade it, and I'm not fucking gonna sit here and be like, okay, I have $2,600 of drawdown, so I can't lose. All right, let me do the math right now. I got $2,594 of drawdown, right? Let me do the math real quick before I start trading. I can't lose more than $778 in one trade today. Okay, but that's going to change on the next trade if I lose 400 bucks. So what am I going to do? Fucking math before every fucking trade? Fuck that shit. You know, but I'm not the guy you want to. You know, I'm probably not the guy you want to take advice from with regards to that. It's just another thing that you got to worry about. Fuck that. I don't know. Just trade the way you trade. You know, trade with less size if it's a concern for you. Yeah, TMB, bro. Yeah, I'm just making some suggestions. You know, you got Rover, you got fucking DoorDash, you got Instacart, you don't have to drive people around with like Uber and Lyft, but you can. You gotta have a newer car though. But you could do Uber Eats, right? All those things pay like fucking 20 bucks an hour. And you do it whenever you want. Or you could fucking go grab stuff like, man, there's so many ways to make money. You could go to fucking like thrift stores like Savers and shit. You know, Savers, the Goodwill store, and buy fucking old school electronics and flip them on eBay or anything, you know, clothing. There's so many ways to make money. You could buy cool old clothing if you know what to look for, right? Vintage clothing and then put it on like eBay and Poshmark and shit. There's so many ways to fucking, you know, go hit up garage sales. It's like a job. It's like another job, but if you treat it as such, I mean, you could, you know, reap the rewards from it. Neeson, I'm still trading with what company? With Apex? Yeah, bro. Look, I just locked in another fucking payout. I'm about to request 2,000 bucks as soon as fucking November 1st hits. But my approach to their bullshit new rules is I don't give a fuck about their rules. I'm just gonna keep trading my accounts the way I feel like it, and then I'll let the cards fall where they may. There's a really good chance. Like I've had accounts go down to fucking like 100 to 200,000 drawdown after one trade, and I got it all the way back. Yeah, man. You know, I don't know if you were asking me. I don't know if you were asking me because you were looking for if you were wondering for yourself, or you just asking me saying like why even bother trading with them anymore. I just the thing that sucks the most about their new rule changes, it's not even that, it's the fucking buffer. Now it's basically take profit trader, but with more bullshit rules. It's like a fucking soft daily loss limit on a trade. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, dude, the VWAP is nowhere. The VWAP is way up here, bro. And this fucking yeah, we missed this little pot. We came right back down. What are we gonna do? We're gonna fucking chop a bunch now. I mean, we could be forming a head and shoulders. I mean, look, you got the head, You got the shoulder, the head. Maybe we get some chop for another fucking half hour. How long was this chop for? 2 o'clock to fucking 40 minutes of fucking bullshit, and it pops like 15, 20 points, and then comes all the way back, and here we are again. Yeah, it's just like any fucking prop firm that had. It's more like a 3-step, right? You still got to pass the eval. So you got to pass the eval, and then you have to get, well, you have to make it to the buffer, but then you have to go over the buffer. So it's like 2.5 steps. But it used to just be you get to 2,600 on a 50K and you can request. So when they led with the they led with the hey guys, great news. We're going from 10 days to 8 days, and there's not going to be a window anymore. How exciting, right, guys? And then, oh, and by the way, you could DCA again. I know we fucked you guys out of your payouts in May, because we decided to reinforce the rule again. The rule was always there, but we never really enforced it. And then, we ran into a little cash flow issue potentially or something, or there was some regulations or both. And we had to fucking clamp down on the rules. And I know we fucked you guys out of your payouts with the DCA because you violated the DCA rule. That's me. But hey, you could do it again now. And then 2 weeks later, they bust out all the rules. They got everybody excited, and then they were like, well, here's why we did all this, because now you have a fucking safety net. Neeson, my code is the best code in the world. It's ZERODAYJAY. It works for Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Trade Day, and Bolonox. And if you use it, I appreciate the support. And if you don't use it, no big deal. We're cool no matter what. I appreciate you for hanging out on the stream, subscribing to the channel, watching any of my videos and all that shit. Well, if you guys want to join the Discord, if you guys are not in the Discord yet, I highly recommend you join the Discord, because it's free for starters. And, all the fucking, a lot of the people that are hanging out in the chat, the vibes continue into the Discord. It's a safe house for degenerate prop firm traders. It's where the DCA gang hangs out, the Degen fam, the earners and burners, the schemers and scammers, the gamblers and scramblers, the fucking rug pull gang hangs out in there. Exactly, Helicorpian. I would never. I've been telling people for months, don't put all your eggs in any one single prop firm's basket, ever. Like, I like Apex. I don't hate them, but I'm not going to fucking be sitting here slobbing on their knob. I fucking call them out for the shit. I call them out all the time. I've been calling, like, when that shit was going on in May, I was calling them out. I made that fucking meme that now other people were using it in Fast Track's Discord while they were waiting for their payouts. Remember that fucking meme I made? Hold on, I'll find it here on my Instagram. What is my fucking Instagram anyway? Is it real ZERODAYJ? I gotta post on this more often. But this, you motherfucker. Hold on. I'm logged in on my fucking. This fucking meme. I made this meme when we were all sitting around waiting for our fucking payout request to be approved for 2 fucking weeks with Apex, while they were fucking putting all the rules, while they were like reinforcing the rules and all that bullshit. I was fucking calling them out and fucking making fun of them. I've been saying, I've been fucking making jokes about Darrell fucking snorkeling in my pool in a Speedo, waiting to fucking tackle and teabag me if I violate the DCA rule. So, I get on everybody. I don't, the one prop firm you don't hear any fucking bullshit about is fucking Take Profit Trader. Yeah, no knob slobbing in here ever. Not me. Doesn't mean I won't trade with them. I fuck with them, I'm hell bent on getting my tuition back. Period. End of story. So this was the fucking, I posted it in the community, but look at this.
And I noticed people were posting this in the fast track Discord. People were telling me. Just remember who posted it first. Oh man. But anyway, you know, I don't fucking I don't give a fuck. Just like when people ask me about the rules, I don't give a fuck about their bullshit rules. I'm just gonna keep trading and, you know, I don't want to violate them. I'm not gonna go out of my way to violate them or anything like that. I'm just not fucking gonna let it, I'm not gonna let it fucking affect how I trade. Because I let that happen with my funded futures, with their micro scalping rule. And I would fucking take trades and I wouldn't take profits. I'd be up, I would always try to get the 5 points. And I'm a scalper. I'm not a micro scalper. I wouldn't sit in trades for less than 15 seconds or anything like that and take one or two ticks or three ticks or four ticks like a lot of, like real micro scalpers do. But in my Apex account, if all I could get was $60 in a trade, I would take it. But because of that fucking rule, I was so worried about it. Oh, I got to get at least 5 points. I got to get at least 5 points or they're not going to approve my fucking payout. And you know what it did? It cost me funded accounts. And I'm like, fuck this. I don't give a fuck anymore. I'm just gonna trade and that's it. I'm not gonna sweat any of that shit. I'm just gonna fucking trade how I fucking trade and whatever happens, happens. No, Traders Each. Take Profit Trader does not have new rules. Apex does. Apex's new rules make them a lot like Take Profit Trader because they have a fucking safety net now. But they have more rules like this, the 30% rule. They always had the 30% consistency rule, but now they have a 30% rule. You're not allowed to lose more than 30% of your available drawdown in a trade or something like that, it took them fucking 27 videos that were all 37 minutes long to fucking clarify the new rules. It's like, and they're like, oh, it's really simple, guys. Oh yeah, but why'd you have to make fucking 400 videos to fucking clarify it when you could have just wrote it down and gave all the scenarios from fucking day one? Um, The take profit trader doesn't have any of those rules. It's just don't hit the daily loss limit. That's the biggest thing you got to worry about with take profit trader. The only thing really. Hmm. Yeah, I mean, as far as I'm concerned, they're the best in my eyes. You know, some people will argue that Top Step is better. I can tell you one thing: I don't see fucking take profit trader. Here we go with this shitty price action again. I don't see take profit trader fucking streaming all day, 24/7, losing fucking thousands of dollars every single day in their live in-house account. And then, knowing people are going to fucking copy their trades and blow their accounts and buy new ones. You don't see that happening. So that's why I would give take profit trader the nod over fucking Top Step. I don't think Apex's time is over. They'll be fine because they have a huge fucking bankroll. I think everybody's been saying, "Oh, Apex will be gone. Apex will be gone." I don't think Apex is going to be gone at all. I think some other platforms might be gone way before Apex is gone. I'm not going to say any names, but I hope not, because if that happens, that means all of the last bunch of people that bought accounts and or got to a payout are fucked, and we're seeing that right now. Yeah, hell, Corpian, exactly. Eventually, Angus again, like it could be, might have been how much drawdown did you have available. It's all about like that's a percentage of your drawdown, but you're not going to lose the account. It just means you might not get approved when you request a payout, but you're in a fucking $1,000 hole anyway, so you got to dig yourself out of it. I would just dig yourself out of it. If you could get that one to a payout, request a payout, and whatever fucking happens, happens. Yeah, TMB. It's all I would love to talk about that shit, but anytime I talk about that type of shit, you know, the fucking big brother's watching my fucking shit all the time. I said one little thing about a certain medical treatment that people were essentially forced into. Not I can't even say that. And my fucking stream got deleted. So I don't really like to talk about it, but it's all bullshit. All of that is just a money grab. It's just that they funnel the money back in. All that Ukraine aid gets funneled back in via FTX. Mikey. Oh no, I don't know. I forgot what it's called. I forgot the name. Yo, did you guys see? Speaking of the election, did you guys see? Who was it? One of the fucking major, mainstream media fucking news networks posted the results of the election. They accidentally leaked. They already knew. Where is it? They already knew. Where the fuck is the tweet? What? Why don't I see this shit? Oh, here it is. ABC accidentally aired election results of Harris winning Pennsylvania by 5% with 100% in. How do they fucking know? Because it's all fucking rigged. Did you see that shit? Fucking hilarious. It's all fucking all of it's fucking bullshit. Just know that none of them can fucking help us. None of them can save us. You got to save yourself. Yeah, I like trade days, Zabac. I got a trade day account right here. They're not sexy. You can only have one account. It's not sexy. They're not cheap. You know, I took advantage of their 50% off sale. That's when I got my account, and it was at 50% off. It was a great price. I'm just taking my time growing this thing. Look, I need it. I'm basically back. This is where I was before I fucking accidentally held the trade into the into the close, and I didn't close it out, and I lost the account. I had to fucking reset. This is literally where I was. So I'm $851 away from passing this thing. I'll do it in the next couple of days or whatever. Maybe Bowser. I'm not sure. Probably. This is TradeEvade, right? So you could log in, you could API into TradeEvade from TradingView. So I would say yes. Yeah, JW. Now they're going to change it to 4%. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Traders each. I'm with you, man. I'm not even trying to get accounts up that much. I mean, it would be a worthy accomplishment, but I'm fucking getting to payouts and taking the money and not running, but taking the fucking money when I can. Instead of building up a balance like that, I'd rather just get paid. Their payouts, Bowser, what trade days payouts? Their payouts are almost their whole structure is almost identical to Take Profit Trader. But I think the minimum you can request is $500. You got to go over a buffer, that type of shit. You can get paid every single day. They will push you to a live account. I don't know how much. I don't know the exact number you have to get to. Again, like I'm not even worried about that shit. Let me fucking get this thing passed, right? Let me get this thing passed. Let's see if I could get to a fucking payout, and then I'll worry about all that other shit. Let me get to a point where I have to fucking be like, well, trade days making me get fucking trade days making me get a live account. This is how much profit I pulled from them. You know, I hope I get to. I'm looking forward to being able to tell you something like that, guys. You know what I mean? Hmm. AK, you think so? What up, Jason Coraz? I did. I actually had a Bullinox. That's why I recommend Bullinox. I had a really good experience with them, aside from the fact that I can't trade with them because I'm on a fucking Mac. They only offer Rhythmic. You can't trade Rhythmic on a Mac unless I do Parallels or VMware or any of that shit, and I don't want to. Or I could fucking, I could use a third party service or some shit. But when I ran into it, I was trying to, and I was asking them for help, and they said, it just turned out that I wasn't going to be able to, and I got pinged for the rebill. And I was like, hey, I just got hit for the rebill. Can you just give me my money back? Can you refund me? Because it's obvious I can't use your platform on my MacBook Pro. And they're like, sure. They literally gave me my money back. Like, they got back to me in less than an hour. So Bullinox is aces in my book. And the only rule they really have is a 40% consistency rule. You can't do 20 accounts with Bullinox. You start with like 3, and I think you could work your way up. I think as you like get payouts, you could add more funded accounts up to like 10 or some shit like that. I don't know the exact rules. Yeah. They just fly under the radar. You know, they're habitual sale extenders as well. They're always doing like 90% off or 83% off. What up, Mo? How much do you need to make to take out a 3K payout on a 250K? I don't know. Probably 3K over the buffer. I'm not sure if the safety net is your draw or anything over your drawdown, or you get to 6,500. Oh my God. Or you have to get to 6,600 to request a 3K. Rug pull gang in the building. Yeah, they're pretty. Yeah, they're good. I like my Fund the Future support is really good too, and Take Profit Trader support is really good. I can't tell you how many times I reached out to my Fund the Future support at fucking what, you know, 4 o'clock in the morning Eastern time, and someone would get back to me in like 5 minutes. I'm like, holy shit. We're gonna bounce off of this level. This support was kind of built up right here. New hour, 6 o'clock. I don't know. I'm fucking good, man. I did this today. I did this. Past these two fucking My Fund of Futures accounts. Catching falling knives. Like a fucking G. And I got these two accounts up over 1,000, overall. And then I traded this. That's all I did so far. I was hell bent. Like my goal, my primary focus was trying to push these over before I did anything else. I'm not going to trade. I'm not trading 107. I got my days in. How many days do I got in on that? I have like 11 or 12 days in. So I'll work on some fucking. I got to work on these three. These are gonna fall into the 8-day safety net type of shit. So I got a ways to go with these. Like I gotta build them the fuck up. But I'm not gonna, I'm going to. That's my goal at least. What day am I on? PA charts. I'm looking on my other laptop. Yeah, I'm on. I got 11 days in. I got 11 trading days in on 107. As soon as we hit fucking the 1st of November, I'm fucking requesting 2Gs because you still can request that way for the first 5 days of the month. I think November 6th is either the 5th or the 6th is the last day you could do that. I think the 6th is when the new rules officially are set in stone. You need to get up. Well, how many days have you got in? Mo, how many days are you up to? Like, are you only on like 3 or 4 days, or do you have? If you have 10 days in, or you're closing in on 10 days, you get to 6,600. You could pull out to 3. Before the end of November 5th. But if you're not going to make it to the 10 days, you got to go over the safety net. The safety net is either 6,500 or 6,600. I haven't even looked at their rules page. Whoops. Let me make sure I don't have any fucking accidental open orders in this fucking thing. There we go. Yikes. So this was like a little fucking tease. Trap the bulls and then drop fucking 33 points. Yeah, well, I mean, if you have enough days and you could take your $3,000 one last time without having to go over the safety net. Oh, dude, today's day 6, so Friday will be day 7. Friday will be day 7, and then you're gonna. I don't know if the 8 days will. I don't know if they're gonna let you do it with 8 days. They might still make you do 10. Let me look at the fucking calendar. The weekend is fucking you. You're losing 2 days. 2 of those days to the weekend. So tomorrow's day 7, day 8, day 9. I would just look at election day because the market's not closed. It's a regular day, right? I would just look and see, when you go to the PA request page, look to see if the drop down's there. What up, passing props? Obviously you still got to get to 6,600 plus, but I would just say, look to see if if you get there, right? And day 8 is here. This is day 8. Look to see if day 8 is Monday. Look on the 5th, right? On election day, look to see if the drop down's there after 8 days. If you get over. If it is, be like, I'm fucking taking. You can take your 3,000. Get ready, time to DCA. The only thing I worry about TMB is this might be a potential area of support, and here we are bouncing off of it so far. 10 points. Good reject here too. This looks like shit though. It looks awful. But so far it's popping. It doesn't mean it's not gonna go down, but it could come up this far and then reject there and then make new lows. Yeah. You locking any gains though? You got to stop in the profit land to lock in gains? I know sometimes that catches me and I fucking end up with baby gains, but I'd rather fucking can't tell you how many times I didn't have that in place and I would fucking be up a couple $100 and then I would get stopped out and lose $200 or more. $275, huh? I see. You looking at this candle maybe? Raw dogging this shit. You might get it. You might get it. It might be close though. You might not get 275. You might have to fucking lock in at 277 or 278. I'm just saying. It's very possible though. This shit could just keep fucking dumping. I mean, the double top is confirmed. The upside down whack Arnold's W has confirmed. So from here, 503 to 72 points from 503. I mean, we've done that already. This is where we bounce. This is the 707 bounce on the fib. When I drew the fib before, let's draw it again. See, we're back at the 707. Yeah, dude, you might fucking get it, bro. It's right. I mean, it's there. Whoops. Pretty much, Craig. Pretty much, Craig. That's what it seems like. All I'm saying, bro, is if you're fucking up from here at 331, like why not move your stop at least, or take some off? But if not taking any off, like why don't you put your stop like around here, just to lock in at least 20 points, right? Because this is like an area of resistance. You know, if you break this, we're going back up to where you got in. Why not fucking lock in 15, 20 points just in case it comes back all the way back up? If it starts dropping again, you could always re-enter. He's got a great entry. He got in right here at the fucking top. He doesn't know how to. Oh my god. Oh no. Just have your finger on the trigger, man. Is it? You might want to learn how to set up a fucking stop loss in Trading View. Oh yeah. So you're in 30 micros, 3 minis. Oh, you really wrote how do I set a stop loss? Wait. First, my fun and futures account. You're trading in Trading View? I trade in Tradeovate. That's funny. I just saw this. That's funny. What size account is it? See, look, this is what I'm talking about, bro. Exactly what I'm talking about is happening. But you would have gotten taken out. It might drop down. Look, it rejected off the 34. Top step. Trading View is so much easier to use on Trading View. Yeah. Well, the top step X is a limited version of it, but at least it's easier to set stops on there. Oh, 50K starter plus. What's the profit on that? I don't even remember. I think it's three. Is it 4,000 or 3,000? You could pass that in one day, which is cool. Uh, fuck. There we go. Motherfucker. Like they hide the starter plus though. What the fuck was that? Why did that just happen? Oh my God. Fuck me. This is not. Why am I having so much trouble? There we go. Yeah, you just need 3,000, dude. You need 3,000. So 3 minis is it's $60 a point. You need 50 points. Is that why you want 275? You don't even need 275, bro. You just need to get to 3,000. So from 31, let's just say we were at 131 minus 50. You really need like 79 or 80, countering like including like to account for fees. I would shoot for like 79 or 78. You don't even need 75, bro. You were almost there. But now you're in trouble because it looks like it wants to push up. I don't know what's going to happen, but the 34s might, save your ass. Hey, yes, what up? Passing props. My funded futures is 1 day to pass on. Oh, wait, no, not on Starter Plus. Dude, you can't even pass in 1 day on Starter Plus. I forgot about that. Starter and Expert are 1 day to pass. Starter Plus has a 50% consistency rule. Yo, Tom, bro, you don't want to make more than $1,500 on this account. I would get out of the trade now. You're probably up like 2 grand. You're probably up like 1,800. TNB, it's a fucking yeah. Starter and expert are 1 day to pass. Starter Plus has a 50% consistency rule, like Take Profit Trader and Top Step. Yeah, bro. Read the fucking. You didn't even fucking look. Too bad it wasn't a starter account. No, it was like a beta test. They said it was a test that was going away at the end of the month. Until Dick. There's an indicator that does it for you now. No, but you didn't do any. It's similar. It's like the same idea, but there's no activation fee. They made the Starter Plus. I just feel like it was a beta test because they said it wasn't going to be around forever. It was like it's a hybrid between expert and starter. And then they rolled out those milestone plans, the straight to funded plans. No, my funded futures is a shit, man. They pay fast as fuck. And you're only going to need 5 days of $100 or more to get paid. Yeah, dude. You should have fucking locked in gains. Hopefully it pulls back for you here. But it looks like it wants to fucking, I don't know. This was support. I said that before. I said this is an area of support, and sure enough, we fucking bounced 20 points off of it. Yeah, we'll take 1,500 and get the fuck and be done, because that's all you can take anyway. So from 31, 18 points, 1,500 divided by 60. You need 20. Oh, you had it, bro. You need 25 points, basically 26 or 27 to account for fees. You had it when you were at here, bro. Hey, man, I love the. You're a fucking degenerate, and I love it, man.
They just have so many different types of accounts. It's pretty fucking straightforward. Like, look, the rules are right here. They tell you right here on the fucking page, you know, the basic. But then there's this. You go to FAQ. That's not the page. This one right here. The payout parameters are the same for starter plus as starter. 5 winning days of $100 or more for the 50. You could pull up as much as $1,200 max until 30 winning days or 60 or 6,000 in payouts. After that, they push you to live. They give you a static account with 2,500. Profit split is 90-10 after 10,000 in withdrawals. I guess your first 10,000 you get 100%. No activation fee. Max payout after 5 winning days, 1,200, 2,400, 3,600, depending on the size of the account. The 100s, you have to do $200 or more for 5 days. The 150s, you have to do $300 or more for 5 days. Here's the scaling plan. It's all right here in their fucking knowledge base or whatever the fuck it's called. Where does it say you can't pass tonight? Eval consistency rule. Your best, the eval consistency rule is checked off. Your best trading day may not exceed 50% of your profit in the evaluation. So if your profit goal is 3,000, you don't want to go over 1,500. And bro, I told you that before it fucking. You were still up $1,500 when I told you that shit. You were way over 1,500 when I told you. Should have just fucking exited the trade right then and there. You might still have a chance. It was like around. I told you around like fucking 304 or 305. So when you get down to fucking 30, when you get to like right here 305, I would get the fuck out of the trade if it comes back down that far. Just passing props. I'm just looking out for him. I'm just looking out for him because he didn't read the fucking the shit on the page. I saved his ass. I saved his ass because he would have fucking been pissed if he got his 275, right? If he got his 275, he'd be over 3,000, and then he'd find out the hard way. He'd find out the hard way that now he has to grow the shit to 6,000 to pass, or it would have been like 6,400 because he would have been at like 32 or 3,300. After hitting his target. So I fucking did him a huge favor by letting him know. If he wasn't hanging out on the fucking Degenerate stream, he wouldn't know. You're good, bro. Yeah, but you're good now. At least you know now. I just hope I hope it comes back for you. I hope you get your 305 and get the fuck out of there. Well, Top Step has the same 50% consistency rule. It's the only account that you chose. You chose the only account that has a consistency rule. Tom. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. You know why I like My Fund the Futures better than Top Step? Because now that I pass these two right here,
that cost me $76. These things cost me $76. I don't have to pay $149 to activate them. Not 49, 149. I don't have to pay $149 to activate these fucking things. Did I say that? I don't even remember what I said. I'm fucking tired. So this would cost me $300 to activate these on Top Step. But it's going to cost me zero. I'm all in for $76 for each of these accounts. Yeah, these are all starters. These are starters. Yeah, Crankberry, we do like doing things the hard way. Even this, like this day, like this looks amazing. But I was up, like watch this. Look at the. I'm gonna go show you my fucking like the trade by trade. Well, yesterday, this was today. This was when I caught the falling knife and fucking pushed everything over. Awesome fucking job by me. Could have fucking went bad, but I liked the level. But so I was up 400 something dollars. When did I start trading again? Right here. So I was up, look, 70, 140, was that 210 and 250? So I was up like 440, let's say, 430 or 440 after fees and shit, right? And then look what I did. I gave back all of it in one fucking trade. And then another 300 and another 65. So I was down 400. I was up, like nothing ever comes easy. I was up fucking $450. I was like getting close, right? I was probably like $500 or $600 away. And then I fucking lose $865. And then add the fees on top of that. It was probably more like 900. I was down 410 fucking dollars. And then I had to work the account back. I basically won every trade after that, but I got it back to 255. And then I traded, and then we dumped and dumped and dumped and dumped. And I liked, I liked, I liked 315. I got in at 315. Oh, I got in at 314.50, and then I added at 311.50, and I got fucking $540 in all four accounts there. And then I got back in again. And took it for another nine or 10 points to push it over. But yeah, it wasn't easy. I had to fucking. Why couldn't I just win? Why did I have to go down like that $800? Or it was. I don't even think I needed $800, but why couldn't those be winning trades? That's all I would have needed instead of fucking driving myself crazy. It's so fucking annoying sometimes. Yeah, Mogi, that's the goal. I'm due for another payout with my funded futures. I got one so far. I want to get multiple payouts from them this month. I want November to be. I want November in terms of payouts. I want November to be the best month I've ever had in terms of payouts. So my best month was 6750 in August. 6750 in August, all from Apex. I want to blow through. I want to beat it. Whatever that number is. I probably should put. I guess the number should be at least 7,000. That would be beating it. But I would like to do like 10,000. And I have a head fucking start, right? I have a head start because I'm requesting 2,000 on November 1st. Obviously, they have to approve it. I don't see why they wouldn't. Like my metrics are fucking amazing. Our largest losing trade 430, largest winning trade 380. Average winning trade 143, average losing trade 149. 67% win rate. It's probably a little higher because like even when you add, and then look at my position size consistency. It's all fucking ones and twos. You know, a lot of these will be like me adding and then twos, you know, whatever. Very fucking consistent. Whoops, my bad. All ones and twos. Very fucking consistent. They can't say shit about this account. What are they gonna fucking say? Your metrics are too good. TMB, bro. My man. you might be okay, man. Ugh. I would lock in gains here, bro. Lock in gains and then re-enter. Lock the shit in, bro. Now you know you only need 1,500, so you don't have to fucking. You don't need this monster move. Get your fucking 600 or 700. You're in the 31, so you're up like $500 or $600 right now. Fucking lock that shit in. What 13 times 60? You're up $780. That's halfway. You're at 31. You got in at like 3150, and we're at 1850. So you're up 13 points. 13 times 60. After fees, it's like 750, bro. Because it just doesn't look like it wants to go down. It might reject here. Maybe take some off. Take a third of it off. Take half off. Richard Harris, they'll find something. They'll be like, you said mean things about us, about our new rules on your streams, Jay. Coach ZERODAYJay. Mohi, you don't need a buffer until November 6th. You have until November 5th, I think, to fucking request the traditional way. So I got my days in. I got 11 days in, actually. And I should be able to request the max. That's what everybody's saying. That's what Apex said. And that's what everybody's saying Apex said. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to request 2,000. And then, I'm just going to go hopefully I can keep the account, right? I want to keep it. We'll see what happens. I'll try to build it back up. But yeah, you can request. Oh, yo, Tom, this is your opportunity, man. Take some. Yo, do whatever you want, man. I mean, you're a better trader than me, obviously. I mean, you fucking see you see the charts better than me, but I would fucking lock in gains and get the fuck out and wait for another setup. No, he's the fucking boss man. I mean, I wonder what his net worth is. But all those other guys on Top Step they call them coaches, and they fucking anytime they trade that fucking they do better on their personal accounts, but they also blow combines left and right. I see them blowing combines all the time, even Dakota. But Dakota's gotten paid. But they have coaches before they name, and they're fucking trading that live account. Like they're trying to lose on purpose. I think Coach Jay knows what he's talking. Coach Jay knows what he's talking about. But it's just funny. They all call themselves coaches. So now I'm Coach ZERODAYJay. If they could be called coach, I could be called coach. That's how I look at it. What up, man? Money Futures Trading. I don't know. I think it's November 6th. I think the 5th is the last day. The 5th is the last day. See, look, you might man, the 34. We might bounce off this 34, and there we are bouncing off the 34. I was just gonna say you got to watch that 34. It's already bounced 5 points off of that shit. I mean, you fucking had like right there, bro. It's just starting to move around. Let's say at 10, you had 21 fucking points. Let's say it was 20 points. You had $1,200 plus. Like, why not just take that and then just take a couple more trades or one more trade for another 300 and you're fucking golden for the day. Yeah, Mo. Yeah. Well, yeah, Rips. Yeah, I heard it. Yeah. I don't even think Rips. And I know Rips is good, but I'm also hearing that Rips is deleting his fucking his negative the streams where he loses money. That's what I'm hearing on the prop firm streets. But Yeah, Rips had the account up $4,000 on Tuesday. He got that live account up 4 grand, and then the next day they fucking gave back all the gains plus. They lost like 5 grand. They wiped out any good. They wiped out all the good that Rips did the day before, and went back to their losing ways. Yeah, I've heard good things about Rips, and I know Dakota's good too. But they all seem to suck trading that account as a collective. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. That's what I'm hearing, man. I don't know. People are telling me. I don't watch his streams. I just know he's got like this fucking beef with Patrick Weiland, and like I don't know. He actually lives out here by me. He's like practically my neighbor. We got some fucking the shit's starting to move around. Yeah. I just heard people, I don't know, people were telling me in the chat that he's been deleting videos. He's been deleting streams or some shit recently. You're in San Fran. How bad is the human feces when you're walking around in San Fran? Is it really as bad as people say it is? You gotta like fucking wash the floor at all times and not your phone so you don't step in fucking human shit. Right here, right here, Bowser, right? At 309 and 310. Oh, he gets upset if he's losing and just shuts the stream down, so he rage quits. I've definitely felt like doing that sometimes. There's definitely been times when I'm like, mother, I'd be so fucking pissed. I'm on tilt and I'm just fucking venting on the stream, and but I never felt like turning it off. I know Trades by Matt has done that before. I won't turn it off. I just suck it up, take my fucking lumps, and fucking move on to the next one. He gets mad. Madi, I hope I'm saying your name right. Madi Alami. Maybe I call you Mr. Alami, or is it just Maddie? Is it just Maddie? But he gets pissed because, oh my god, Tom, dude, fuck, bro. I t- ugh. What are you gonna let it come all the way back up to your fucking original fill? I'm not doing anything, bro. He quit. So he'll fucking be, yeah. Like I don't know. He gets mad. Like he throws a tantrum if he doesn't hit his target. Like fucking Jack. You ever see the Jack Nicholson fucking gif? It's one of my favorite gifs. It's this one. Does he do this when he doesn't hit his target? Hold on. Oh, the Jack Nicholson nodding, fucking Jeremiah Johnson. That's fucking amazing. Where is it? Oh, this one. This one right here, where he's fucking from The Shining, when he's fucking throwing all the fucking shit off the fucking table. Is that Rips when the fucking when he doesn't get his take profit? What time is he on? I've never been on one of his streams. I like hanging out on other people's streams. Nayo, what's up? What up, Jamal? All work and no play. Yeah, coin. What's Coinbase at now? They had bad earnings, didn't they? Weren't their earnings really fucking bad? Oh, look, we got an upside down whack Arnold's W forming. They're down here at 206. Wasn't their IPO at like 400? Didn't they IPO like over 400? He's on 7 a.m. Central. What the fuck time is that? 10, 8 o'clock Eastern? Yeah, that's why I never fucking catch his streams. I'm fucking finally going to sleep at that time. The last call to short. I'm not taking any trades anymore. I'm fucking done for the day. I'm done until later when I wake up again. My work. I put in some fucking serious work here. I don't need to do anything else. I wanted to trade. I mean, damn, I wish I went long here though. Fuck. I wish I went long when I said, "Yo, Tom, look, we have support right around here," and I wish I went fucking long because look at that shit. We're up fucking 30 fucking points from there. That was a nice fucking area of support. Look, and then like look where the fucking where the shit was just going sideways, and before it bounced, right at this fucking wick. You see the bottom of this fucking wick? Crazy, crazy. I should have went long in an Apex account, full port. Do a sim trade YOLO for the stream. I like seeing all this green, man. I have too much green. I could have been done for the day with all of my funded account, my other 3 funded Apex accounts. That would have been fucking beautiful. Bowser probably. Probably. I would have fucking you know what I would have closed? Probably around here. Probably around the first 34. I would have been raising my you know me, I would have been raising my stop, raising. Actually, yeah. See how it fucking popped here? It popped. I would have raised it up to about this area and gotten taken out. Right around the 1 minute 21 and the 30 and the 1 minute 34 EMA. I would have been like, yeah, I'm good. So that would have been what, like fucking 10 points. Sounds about right. Maybe I would have re-entered though. I don't know. Yeah, it really was, Richard. Yeah, CT, it's not worth it. I mean, I get it. I haven't done any full blown degenerate shit in a while. I did trade earnings. It didn't work out, but I didn't blow any accounts. Actually, I traded these accounts during earnings, so I was up like $1,400 on the day, and all I needed to do was what I gave back is what I needed to pass these two, and instead I gave back like $550 or 600 something dollars. I was like, you motherfucker, because I was those fucking candles. What were they, like 100-point candles in both directions? It was crazy. Yeah, the shit fucking dropped and then it popped and then it dropped again. Fucking Tom, bro. Did you get out at all? You're killing me, son. Killing me, dog. Yeah, Richard Harris. Yeah, man. It was I mean, I said it. It's not like I didn't see it. I just didn't act on it. So that's always the other thing. Seeing and acting are 2 completely different things. I think it's because I'm like just content with where I'm at right now with what I traded. I don't even want to trade this account anymore for the rest of the day. I'm done trading this account. I'll take $400 for the day. I can't pass it in less than 7 days anyway. So, you know, I need $851. 2,500 minus 1649. 1649. Yeah, I need $851. I could do that in 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. I don't fucking care. TMB is fucking. He's tilting right now. Like he's probably fucking. I'll tell you one thing. If it goes over, if it clears any of this shit, you're fucked, bro. Are you gonna hold it all the way to 47? Which is, do you have a stop? You don't even have a stop. That's right. You don't know how to do a stop yet. Oh yeah, CT. You know how many times I fucking like, or I would take baby gains, right? I would take, it would be a decent trade, right? I'd be happy with it, and then like it's still going. I'm like, okay, it's up to the, it's coming to the it's coming to the 5-minute 21. It's going to reject there, or the 34s. It's going to reject at the 34s, and then it looks like it's going to, and then it just keeps continuing up, and all I had to do was just stay in long and continue ride the fucking wave, and I fucking end up giving back all my gains and then some. Can't tell you how many times that happened. Yeah, right. Yeah, man. You get the 40. You got it. This is the next one, and then this one, and then this one. And this one, you might have a shot of it coming back, but you get over 47, 48, you're fucked. Oh my God, bro. This is the shit that I do too, or I've done. I still do it from time to time. I just do it less frequently. Like I would have taken games for sure. It might not have been what I wanted, but I would have taken it. And I think the issue was, had Tom known that there's a 50% consistency rule, he would have treated that trade completely different. He would have been out right around here. He had it. He had his 50%. He had more than 50%. But I did tell him around here. I told him around here. And he still could have taken his fucking $1,200. And he had a couple of chances to get $1,200 here. I don't think he closed, man. He's fucking holding. He's committed. He's committed to the trade. 512 is your take profit? Damn, bro. You're playing the fucking gap fill, aren't you? You're playing a partial gap fill. Gap fill. Yeah, that's right. Nick, yeah. Yeah, Nick for a tick. I heard good things about him too. Nick for a tick. I heard good things about. I know Dakota's good. I never seen Jay trade, but he seems like he knows what he's talking about, and I've heard good things about him. But they're calling the guys, whoever's got their hands, whoever keeps losing in that live in-house account, they're calling themselves coaches too. Well, they're being called coach by by the company. So you might as well call me Coach ZERODAYJay at that point. What up, Tickle? Charles Green. 347 is your next short target? What do you mean? Are you out of the trade? Oh my God. Bro, I can't tell you how many times I've done that. I just torture myself. A plus trader. Jamila's in the building. Jamila and Nail are catching up. Jamila, just come back and hang out in the Discord. Jack Boom. Coach Jack Boom is here. I'm going to call all you guys coaches too. Coach Jamila's here. Coach TMB, Coach A plus, Coach Richard Harris, Coach Charles Green. We're all here. Yeah, the time. Yeah, exactly, bro. The time, and like just the fucking aggravation. The aggravation too, man. That's the other thing. Tell me you're not fucking annoyed right now. What up, Coach A plus? Hell, Jamil, I did the same thing. You talking about Top Step? Come on, Jamila, just come back and hang out. The ladies need you. Tom, bro, TMB, I would be fucking. If that happened to me while I was streaming, I would be fucking. I'd be fucking. I wouldn't be having this face on right now. I can tell you that much. You would see the other face, the I want to fucking jump off a building face. Yeah, but now bro. Stop it, man. Stop it. You know you're gonna be fucking thinking about this for the rest of the day. If you can't trade anymore. Like if you can't trade anymore and you gotta go to work and you be at work and you be thinking about this all fucking day, knowing that especially if you can't trade. Yeah, he said he just fades them. It's true, man. You can fade them in the live account. The only time he shouldn't do it is when Rips is gonna trade the account. They're so fucking bad. Yeah, I just saw him on the leaderboard. He was like in fifth place. Yeah, yeah. Coach Dinky says the word coach as in a vehicle to losing trades. Yeah, Coach Jamal said fireworks, the NFP. Yeah, it's gonna be. Yeah, we got Apple earnings today. You got Apple and fucking Amazon today. I can see it coming way back. Look, look, man, look at this shit. We bounced off the fucking 707 twice. We're in the golden pocket. This shit could fucking go right back up and beyond potentially. I don't know. We still have, but that we also have. We're up against this fucking bullshit. We got some fucking. You know, they're going to be lying through their teeth about unemployment claims. Core PCE, we got core PCE, employment cost index, unemployment claims. So, a bunch of lying's about to happen in like fucking an hour and a half. That may make the market go back down, but we could pop. I mean, I don't know. I don't even care because by the time I wake up, all that shit's already going to be happening. Yeah, Richard Harris. How many times? How many times have you told yourself I should have taken that long? I should have taken that long. I should have fucking taken the long down here, bro. I should have taken this. Look at this. This shit went from 60 fucking points. 60 fucking points. Ha, nice. Great job, coach, passing props. Yeah, dude. What a fucking great job by you, man. I was already pretty much I was mentally done. But I said, like, dude, get the fuck out. Do you think, yo, it might. It's right here. Coach CT Trading says we're going to VWAP. YM didn't follow. That's because it's young money. Nice, Ron. Yeah, 73 right before the VWAP. This shit just keeps fucking going. Holy fuck. I mean, you got this little fucking area of resistance maybe. Might be a saving grace for anyone who wants to go short, but I don't know, man. It's got a magnet. The VWAP's got a magnet on that shit now. The VWAP. Mallow's trading secrets. Wait till I release how to guess your way to habitual payouts. Oh, nice. Passing props. Don't forget about me. Yeah, I'm not getting FOMO. I'm good. Although, man, I bet this shit goes up to the fucking VWAP. A plus, you need to take proper traders website. What is it? Is their site down? Sometimes they do maintenance and their site goes down. But hey, if you need their website address, it's loading for me. If you need to click on a link to go to their address, this is the best link to click on. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Oh, check the calendar. I just go to Forex Factory. They A plus tomorrow. They don't trade your funded account tomorrow during non-farmer payroll. They don't want you trading non-farmer payroll with a funded account. Tomorrow's the one you it's FOMC, PMI, or CPI. Fuck. Hold on. I'll tell you right now. Yeah. FOMC, CPI, not PMI. CPI and non-farmer payroll, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow, do not trade this if it's a funded account. It's fucking 4 o'clock. You guys are gonna get your VWAP. What a fucking move. That's a fucking move right there. Bounce right off of this fucking area of support. Right here. This was the support that got fucking built up. This right here. It came right back down to it, made a higher fucking low, and just went boing, 60 fucking 67 points, 65 points. The VWAP. Yup. Yeah, A plus, no problem. Yeah, he did. You want to hear him say it? You want to hear some? You want to hear some fucking crazy shit?
I don't know, but here's what I can commit to you. I will never rug pull your payments again. You will never put the T.
Who the fuck says that? Ron, you're good, bro. You got the 10 points. You got 10 points. Least estimator. I thought you were leaving because you said have a good day, everyone. I thought you were like bouncing. That was like an hour ago. Oh, passing props. Fuck, man. I guess you could laugh about it now, but that fucking sucks, bro. I'm sorry that happened to you. He's gonna mess it up for everybody. You don't think the clown ass fucking Fed boys are paying attention to what the fuck is going on in that fucking shit show? Oh, okay, at least estimator. Yeah, I wasn't sure. No, that's fine. That's fine, man. That's fine. I thought you were bouncing. What up, Bino? Coach Bino's here. We got Coach Least Estimator still here. Coach Corey Ratcliffe Trading is here. I see it. Those fingers were crossed behind his back, but those fingers were crossed. Everything was crossed. His fucking nutsack was crossed. His feet were crossed. His legs were probably crossed. His leg, his fingers were crossed. Yeah, no. At least I've seen other people do that too, bro. You good, man? I didn't. I thought you were. I thought you were gone, but I'm glad you're still here. You got to see. Oh man, You got to see TMB pull a 0-day J. That's what you got to see. That's what happened. Fucking crazy. I'm just, yeah, he was diamond handed. He diamond handed that one, all right. He's a good trader though. Like he was right. He was right. The trade was great. He just didn't fucking. He just didn't fucking take his profits because he was stubborn. He was being stubborn. He was so fucking committed. He was as committed to fucking holding that trade to his take profit as rug pull gang is committed to fucking never rug pulling you guys on your payouts again. Maybe Tom was a little more committed. uh, he was. TMB, SBF 2.0. What up, TD Trades? Coach TD Trades is here. Yeah. You had a couple of chances to get out. That's the other thing too. Like, yeah. And I quote, what I've learned just from the fucking torture I put myself through is you will get a chance to get out of a trade that's going against you, that's about to fuck you at least 2 or 3 times. You will have opportunities to get the fuck out. So you had it here and then it popped and then it came back down. You had it here and then it was hanging around here. You could have gotten out. So like you had your 3 or 4 chances. Once you don't take those, you're fucked. It happened to me so many fucking times. It still happens to me. You know? I just get so annoyed in a fucking trade. I'm like, come on, man, this better fucking turn around. And I had my chances to get out and lock in some gains. And once you don't take those chances, those 2 or 3 fucking opportunities, you're fucking done. You're done. Coach Jamal says is going back up. Coach TMB is still trading. He could have been done for the day with that account. Could have been done. I'm only giving you shit because I've done it to myself so many fucking times, and I'm saying it, and I'm saying it with love. I'm giving you some tough love because you're a better trader than me. You're definitely a better trader. You see the charts better than I do, for sure. Coach Least Estimator thinks it's a fake breakout. I think we hit the VWAP. Look, this is the other thing that I always notice happening. Bowser looks for this too, right? I think you're the one who said you always look for that. When we're fucking riding up the 9, right? We're riding up this 9 EMA is trending, right? And then we break the trend. We pull back and break the trend, and then sure enough, the fucking 1 minute 21 is right behind it, and it bounces off of it. And same thing on the way down. It happens so often. I might just always take shots there or just not get scared and keep my stop below it or something. Why? Really, TMB? TMB's committed. He says, I commit to never doing my funded futures again after this. Fingers crossed. Mr. Varma. I haven't traded them at all today. I only traded this. This is my trade day account. I traded this, and I traded these. Don't fade. I put all of the accounts in the Don't Fade Me Bro group, and I fucking got them all up 1157, and I passed 2 of them. These are my funded futures starter accounts, all of them. But these 2 are passed. So on Friday, I'll have 2 funded my funded futures accounts. I did not trade. They're doing good. I mean, but I did not trade. I got them up a little bit more yesterday. The Fade These Nuts group is at 30. They're both over 3,000. They got a little messed up because I traded one by itself by accident, and then I quickly followed with the other one and then checked off the fucking group. but they're both up 3,300 and 3,200. And then the Trading with Travis account is up 470. So everything's looking pretty good. Vinny Cuz, what up? Coach Vinny's here. Coach Mr. Varma's here. Coach Bowser's holding until Coach Bowser's. Are you in short? Is that what you mean, or are you just calling him? You calling what you're seeing? Oh my god! All right, guys, I gotta bounce because I'm gonna fucking do something I don't want to do, and I don't want to. I don't want to trade anymore. I don't want to get trapped in a trade. I gotta get some fucking sleep. See if I can get. I didn't sleep at all, so I didn't even take a little nap. Trading with Travis is good, yeah. Nah, he's cool. Thanks, least estimator. Coach Jamal said, yo, Coach Tickle Gollums, you have a great day. Yeah, to answer your question, Richard Harris, yeah, trading with Travis is good. He's big with Take Profit Trader. He takes payouts all the time, a lot. He has had live accounts. I'm sure he's blown accounts, right? We all blow accounts, but he's good. And he's super chill. He's a cool dude. Yeah, have a nice nap. Exactly. All right, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. Watch out for that fucking for those red folder events today. Unemployment claims, PCE or some shit. And we got Apple and Amazon earnings after hours. So we might run up all day. I don't fucking know. It really depends on what happens in the next hour. But I'll talk to you guys soon. I'll be on for Power Hour. If you don't get the notification, just come look for me on the channel. I will be on. All right, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks again for hanging out. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Oh, join the Discord. If you guys aren't in the Discord, hold on. Let me get this fucking Discord link real quick. Join the Discord. This is where the DCA gang hangs out. The conversation will continue in the Discord. All right, coaches. I'm out, coaches.